Nyeba gunle namdola shing yende gunge genpa bo simje gunge nyen chikbu namje kenla gun chans wame joge inge podan nen dusum sange gunge ngo rasem chugo ngosuma dunzembe sawe lame shabla so wande nambi chu nyamsu lembi kulung sangpo nijung dang jangjub ki simdang tembe koni dambi chu simbar shu.
Please give rise to the excellent motivation, which is twofold, that of renunciation and the mind of awakening bodhicitta, thinking that you're engaging with the sacred dharma, that of scriptures, by means of receiving the teachings, reflecting on them, and putting them into practice. And then in that spirit, please listen to the teachings.
Tanganzu shilam desum ki nangni lam ki ngowo dini shubi kabre. Ta lam di dini golchuk mepa tulme di rangyu la kebar cheba la dokur dang talba chik ani yingu go yore esini sumbare. Ta den nangni tanda nganzu lam tulme gyula ke mashu kengi dripa trota deyang tini zowo di ta kansa ki dadu zimba se di cha degi yoba yindu ante dobe ki nyembo lam dame dobe shirab di tini kandis gomgo kare kandis samdo tanggo kare sini ta dordu na doto dazingi nyembo lam dame dobe shirab di ani chegom jebe chedang di shugore.
As for the topic of these teachings, among the ground, path, and the fruition, we're discussing the path of the Buddha Dharma, especially what constitutes the essence of the path. What is the essence of unmistaking, pure path? And what do we need to do in order to generate that essence of unmistaking path in our mind streams? And so we've been discussing that what we need to really avoid is the downfalls of superimposing something or denigrating something, those two types of wrong concepts, right? It's exactly what does not let us realize. Yeah, it's what does not let us realize unmistaking path, especially among those two the downfalls that we need to avoid. We have been discussing the one of that superimposition, the wrong mistaking concept of, also sometimes we say, exaggerating something. And among all the different ways we exaggerate and superimpose, the one is especially, going to say, non-conducive for our path. And that's known as the grasping to a self, right? This ego clinging or idea of a truly existing self. That's the one that really prevents us from realizing the path. And so in the last Dharma sessions, I spent some time discussing what is the antidote to that grasping to a self, to that ego clinging, right? Especially, the antidote is the wisdom, the insight that realizes the lack of truly existing self, that realizes selflessness. So we have been discussing how to generate that antidote, briefly, right? And there, especially among the methods, I've been focusing on what is known as analytical meditation, right? So we've been discussing analytical meditation on selflessness.
덴데기 지금제기 냠렌디 다치당 라바숨기 나니 아주 시럽기 라바 띵냠렌 지겨래 데니 남주 곰라더니 신내당 라톰 스니 이여빈나니 덴데스 다음에 거미디 라동기더니 냠렌 지겨래
This kind of analytical meditation on selflessness belongs to the superior training in insight or prajna, right? We have the three types of training in the Buddha Dharma, and this meditation or analysis of selflessness really belongs to the training in prajna, our wisdom. In terms of the different types of meditation, usually we classify the Buddhist meditation into two groups, right? The practices that belong to the category of shamatha, training the mind to be calm and stable, and other types of practices that belong to the vipassana or penetrative insight. So among these two categories of Buddhist meditation, this particular analytical meditation pertains to the one of vipassana or practices of penetrative or superior insight.
단 다음에 조금 제비 제단기 릭바디 네 가장 쉬운 난신 태과침보 찌당 제다 하란수 우메기 되니 냠랭 kapsula 우메기 덴식 리베고 망고숭여래 단 남진 영다라 되니 우메 덴식 침보 nga스니 덴데양 세소여래 이내양다 nganzu da shiraji yang lobjong tozu jang na ma do rikpa shimba umegi tenzi shimba tenzo le labu chini lo la bab tang nye des khabu yore da ngaranzu le tangbo pala tozu ji samlo tangyu yoba gomna shirai nyora chabo meba dawo chik di tini chik dutal ki tenzi saadi yabo dawo chi yore di induda ni khasang chik dudal ki kone gansa ki dame chekum chesu di shugi yin sini nga zu di shugi yore chik dudal ki tenze ise.
As I have mentioned in the previous Dharma session, when it comes to analytical meditation on selflessness, on the lack of truly existing self, there are generally in the Mahayana and more specifically in various schools, there are different logical arguments known as reasonings to establish that selflessness. Right? And specifically, the school that's very well known for utilizing a lot of reasoning to point out that lack of truly existing self, known as the school of the middle way or Madhyamika in Sanskrit. And there are many various reasonings and many various logical arguments they use, but there is a tradition to classify them, for example, into the 5 great logical arguments of the middle way. And those, to really properly understand all of those reasonings and to really be able to integrate them, take some time and some skill. And usually it's not that easy for beginners like us, right? It takes a bit of study. Well, it kind of we need to study in detail those reasonings. And for us, just people who, beginners on the path, I think the one that we can really understand easily and use in our own practice is the one reasoning known as the reasoning of being neither singular nor plural. Sometimes we say neither being one nor many. And that's what I have started explaining, and I think that's what we're going to continue with.
Dandela dini nega shi yore sumbare di nyamlen je yongdu. Da tangbo di dini kakja ngebi nes. Nipa di dini kyaba ngebi nes. Da deni di dadik dawar dwa. Dini chikdang dalwa ngebi ne. Dini dumadang dalwa ngebi nes ni. Dela dini neshi sungore.
And there, when it comes to explaining this particular logical argument of being neither singular nor plural, there are 4 points that we need to establish first of all. The first 2 constitute the preparation. Before we start using the reasoning itself, we need to establish some ground rules, right? So the first one is the point about the certainty with regards to what is the object that we're going to refute. Well, we need to be very clear about that, right? It's very important to have that certainty. So that's the first point we need to be very clear about. The second one, we need to be also very certain about what are the rules of the logic. How does it, literally it means pervasion, but here it means what entails what are those kind of rules of the pervasion or logic. Those 2 will help us to prepare us to start actually going, launching or setting forth the reasoning itself. And that's the third point there, the point of being certain about things being neither singular, and the fourth one, the things, not neither. So as we separate them, the third one is the point of certainty with regards to things being not singular, and the fourth one, all phenomena being also not multiple.
Da gaje kodi chidani tewa chimba nyamlin che di dang chedadu ume gi shung ta di dang ande nane da nganzu dame komdu di 당보 드난테 고사 다오지 차되게 여봐인데 딱 가상 간주 망보 쉬바래 이내양 대값보다 각자 녜세데 지당 다 챙이당데 림바 망보 샤요래 이내양다 냠린 제베 값을 쪼데 가리순 거였으나 녜세나 따다지 녜심 바세요와 디스디 가리순 거였으나 계란기 다녜 가상기 아주 주든나라 쉬바 각자의 가용도 가게디 뇽다나 되네 도도게 탈라흥에 닌가 요래라 다진라 뇌두고 말해스 안더도스 다양 가게디 슉체다니 지 통신도 용신도 가야 매바레 삼바이나 생아지당 레귤데라 꾸르바답니 체베탈을 흥에 되는가 요레스 다 데가솔라 각자 녜기 녜세데 조데 가르슨 거였으나 가예디 뉴밭 가해디 슉체 다와 마인바 슉충 다와 마인바 맨디 다 먼저 있는 right dose 다버지 녜밤 녜셰께밤 딱 녜셰께서는 영화 똑같은 데다 기기 말아 이내다 고백이도 선은 또 즉 삼도당의 알레다 디가즈 인사레 삼삼다고 딘데직드니 로라 녜 샤르고 그래 숨바르텔라 가장 녜바 슬라바레
This first point I have explained in the previous Dharma session, right, when it comes to the middle way philosophy, establishing selflessness. Here we talk about selflessness of a person. Khenpo mentioned earlier, I forgot to mention. Of course, here we're discussing selflessness of individual. Right? In this context, this first point, to gain certainty with regards to what is the object of negation or refutation, right? That word certainty is quite important. It means that we need to be able to properly identify what is to be refuted, right? That means certainty. Properly identify, right? As I have already mentioned, if we refute self, but we kind of underdose. We don't refute the whole of a self of a person, right? We refute too little. Our arguments are too weak, right? So we don't refute enough. Then the problem is that we will fall into the extreme of permanence, like something will be still there, true and real, right? This is kind of what happens when we underdose, so to say, as Khenpo says. If, on the other hand, we refute, but too much, for example, right, while still experiencing things in our life, while seeing them, we still deny their existence, especially when it comes to karma, cause and effect, past and future life, right? We say it's not real, so we fall into another extreme of nihilism, of denying things. And this happens when we overdose with what is to be refuted, right? We do too much. So therefore, this word being certain with regard to what is to be refuted is important. It points out that we shouldn't, the object of negation shouldn't be too much or too little, right? Exactly, not too, exactly right dose, like with medicine. We need to have the proper dose of medicine, right? And then we can say, oh, I'm certain. Of course, when we say, oh, I'm certain, I'm not saying that this certainty is very much experiential or like a real realization. Sometimes we use the word certainty with, on that level. But here I just mean certain in terms of intellectual understanding, just knowing in our intellectual minds, okay, this is exactly what is to be refuted.
다디 세타다 녜바시 여러와 델라 남주 간주다 우마스니 밍타에데 델라시 여레 망마타 뇽마타 와 다디 초진에 깔릭하고 여러 가르에서는 거지 패러독스라고 지어래 초니네 간수익이 셈디 그랬어요 그래 ngaran suki semki lega jebi jedangi domshi jorwa diditini nizin cha de yore ta danda mangmata nyungmata se ditnala nizin gi lega shira jigi yo mare ta de maji yongde kapsula di lole share dang nywa thwen le labo yo mare kali khabo yore yine yangda 지 태가르 세타다디 가르레 랍당선 라바이나 데다 베자 망문나라 여레와 나와 마인 동바 마인 템바 줌린데기 쑥 동바 마인 동바니 쑥 마인 수르 동바니 시 마인 동바니 르냥 쑥시 마인 세디 던다디 숭바레 이나 띵안줄라 셈라지 던지 샤레 가보시라도와 녜셰당 또바게 레라보여 마레 안 학바도 ngaran수 셈진 기 바샤디 찍바 연구요 말에 가시엘라 아지 도도 마요레 가실라 꾸르데 마 요거 연디다 소소기 또 저지 삼로 땅 양또 저지 검갑 되니 가래기 너바 마도 가래지는 셈라 남도데 마 두고도 니신데 타로 두고도 다신데 타로 두고도 간데스시나 니신데 디스 뇨로 두고도 소소 셈나 지 흘러자 용고도 사디 지는 아주 이나 갈라오래 인지kel라이나 trial and error 지긴 라 응외세지 마도 지기 람상 디데 세지 지 아주 잘라 죽죽 반나신 죽죽에 된데 요 말에
Finding this exact dosage, right? That exact perfect dose, kind of between being too much or too little, like kind of. That's exactly what we call middle way, right? Like Madhyamika philosophy known as middle way. In Buddhism, middle way, right? This perfect dosage, no more, no less. And actually, to be honest, it's not easy to achieve that middle way. Right? On one hand, it's really paradoxical. And on the other hand, also our minds, they function within a framework of dualistic fixation, right? Either this or that, right? We see black, white in a very dualistic way. So for us to be in this kind of perfect middle of neither too much nor too little is difficult, because that does not operate within the framework of dualistic fixation. Being in the middle does not work the same way as our usual dualistic tendencies work. So it's not very intuitive for us. It's not very natural. It's difficult to get there. And of course, we heard the teachings a lot. So no, we can read in the book, like, what is that perfect middle? It's not like we don't even know. We heard. The Buddha himself has said, form is emptiness. Emptiness is form. There is no any other emptiness besides form, and there's no other form, right, besides emptiness. So yet we heard that, but to really have that understanding, to have that certainty, or even, of course, to have realization of that, that's something else, right? That's entirely a whole another ball game. That's difficult, especially because we're all different. We have different tendencies. Now we need to understand, when we talk about perfect balance, middle way, right? It could be different. Well, the way to achieve it could differ for different people because we have different tendencies. Some of us tend more towards grasping to kind of superimposing something, grasping to existence. Some of us have tendency more like to denigrate and deny, sort of even relative, right, conventional perspective. So we need to understand, and we need to check ourselves constantly. What are my tendencies? Which are the stronger? Where do I fall? Into which extreme, right, do I fall more? Well, then we need to see, okay, then I need to balance myself in this way. Then I try and meditate, and I see that, oh, it works. Look, my dualistic fixation actually, this kind of grasping to duality actually diminishes, and I feel more at ease, more relaxed. So we see it for ourselves, as Khenpo said, by trial and error, right? We do it, and we find that perfect middle way for ourselves.
되니 타치당 안주 뇽와 수수수수 뇽와 점라 삼로당 바이나 땅아스게 주구주사디 가장의 쇼버나시 풍풍알로 주구주구여래 되니 다 뒤에 곧대버잖아 풍풍아스에 땅에 가장 쇼버나시 안주 남기 원백의 쇼나라 민숙세기라 숙세는 아주 수부들세기여래 민슬람나다 수부 마인베기 셴바 풍부시부데 차상데 셈데 차대거래 셈기 젤레민다와 델라 민슬라바레 가르지는 민슬라바레스나다 숙세데 코 도도직 주구주구 여바 메기 통유 여바 라비 숨기 여바 셔봐 델라 떼바이나 더 풍부 셴바 초바세당 드시세든 저 코지 nyongsola ming tak shakpar tsamji mato chigi su na shin zugu tsuksa shi yo marwa tela tini mingsu silabare ta dor dina zugu tsuksa di ngaranzu phungpa ngasane digire mingsu nila ngazu zugu tsu yongo yore ta ina yang ming direbe suk direbe tsroba direbe sene yang jik samlo ta yongdu yang jik tempo shira mekhen soda buji da kanda sebu meba ji yore di nge khazan shui ba.
And in terms of our personal experience, I think that's we have discussed also our experience. Where do we point really the finger when we say I, right? Experientially, where do we ascribe this reality of I? Well, we point finger to what's known as the 5 aggregates. In the Abhidharma, actually, they are known as one of the 12 links, name and form. Right? Perhaps you heard that in the Abhidharma context, name and form. Here, the form stands for the aggregate of form. Right? That's clear. But the other 4 aggregates, feelings, perceptions, and formations, mind, they fall into the category here known as name. Why did the Buddha call them a name? What does name means? Well, it really clearly establishes a dividing line between what is form, something tangible, something solid, something we can touch, right, and really engage with, where name, in other words, it's like a label. It's just a name, right? It's not something we can really touch or something tangible like our feelings, our thoughts, our perceptions, right? So they are known as the name. That's how we separate in Abhidharma between the form and the other 4 known as the name, but also we can, in a more simple way, we can just distinguish between 2, body, which is the form, and the mind. And the mind here includes all the feelings, perceptions, formations, etc. Right? And as I have mentioned already, I think when it comes to form, okay, that's clear, it's our body, pointing out finger, this is me. But when it comes to the mind and pointing finger and saying, this is me, this is I, when it comes to feelings, perceptions, our thoughts, it's more blurry. Like we don't see clearly where exactly we are pointing finger, right? It's a bit fuzzy there.
다 ngaranzu nangbe phungpu nga dawatla takshi segrwa dak ki zug sadi ani dak dala takche segrwa ta technical term da bushi di injikela tata che yong yene men ga shi dakshi dang takwe che sedi.
We have some technical terms in Buddhism when we talk about the self and the aggregates. The aggregates, the 5 skandhas, are known as the basis for imputation. Because, right, that's the basis where we impute the self. And the self itself, me, I, known as the phenomena that is imputed. Right? The basis for imputation and the phenomena that is being imputed.
Ta didi peshana takshi sena ngaranzu pixels labada bore takche sena da picture labada bore ba nganzu parji yona phagi de gare re sena da gangre re nge pawa re ki re se labgra ba thoye de tris thongro ba nambachi dela tini takche se labare ta ngoye khorangi tini ye de ta khawala ta bare sena di pixel ke pattern la teni tak sha ba jire ye di pixel ke pattern ke chokwa jira o tende ra jire ta peshana.
And to give an example, well, we can say that the basis for imputation is like pixels in the photo, and the imputed phenomenon, it's a picture, like a photograph that we look at and we see, well, we think we are seeing a mountain, well, this is my father, this is a dog, right? That's how it presents itself, like an appearance. And this, in this analogy, actually, that's imputed phenomena. And the basis for imputing that's a, like a basis for seeing, a mounting, a dog, etc. in the photograph. The basis for that is a patterns of pixels, right, arranged in a specific way. So that's the basis for imputation.
Tati nganzu 풍부 세해들라 스칸다스 랍샤르와 디 가리 순고 여르스나 풍부 세디 내가 제용도 찌기 내가 지금 말에 망보지 냠도 좀니더니 에 내가 디 지기래 양면나 망보지 냠도 좀니더니 디기 illusion 줄와 딜레비 용거래 송바래 디인도다 숙코라야 풍부래라 코라야 낭세기 예와 망보래 내가 난신기 되니 풍부가 코라야 소바와 딱 강달지 최직 마임바 난기 충충충충 차시 망보지 좀니 내가 지고 여밤 된대기랑 신진치 차디기 여바인데 나 딜라 풍부스라버라 직바레 빼나가란소 픽셀 망보 마좀나 파티 차토고미도 와 파르기 일루션도 연구 말해 아니 픽셀 코랑 라야한테니 빼나 까보여레 마보여레 세보여레 아니 까보 코랑야 낭세기 예와제나 까보 망보여라 와 된대질라더니 풍부 세거래.
And why do we call those 5 skandhas? Why are they called skandhas? Why are we saying in English aggregates? The name here is actually quite telling. It points out that how the aggregates function, how do they work? They work only as an assembly of many smaller parts, right? That's how they produce illusions. Even when we take one single aggregate, like let's say the form, yeah, it's not singular. It's not like the name aggregate exactly perfectly points out that the form as an aggregate has many divisions, subdivisions, subcategories, right? It's many parts there that assemble together, and then we call them aggregate of form, right? So then only they can work in order to produce something. Like, for example, pixels. We need many pixels to have a picture, right? Not singular pixels. So if we don't have many pixels, there will be no illusion of a photograph, of a picture. That illusion will not appear to us. So in this way, you need to right. So for example, right, so we have that illusion of a picture, but also we understand that there are many different types, like, pixels are divided in, some are red, some are yellow, some are green, and so on. So it's many various things. So like aggregate of form has those categories and subdivisions and all other aggregates as well. That's why we call them aggregate, because it's agglomeration of many parts coming together in order to work and function and produce something, some illusions.
다 풍부세디 고아 야볼렘나 맞은 남바 산제베기 텐델 세요라 최담제 근데 고아디야 lep도 그래.
And if we understand this topic of the 5 skandhas, the 5 aggregates really well, what is meant by them, what do they really represent, then we will also understand the fundamental and really most important teachings, and one of the most important teachings, that of the interdependence. One second. I think I need to, I don't know if I can mute someone. Anyway, right. So, as Khenpo said, by understanding aggregates, we understand interdependent origination.
되는 간주 원바당 다 켄주당 되는 나라 순여래. 풍부래야고 하거나 되는 남주인 간주 가장 다진기 계제시 용도 값을 계주 가시지 여변은 다 집을 좀 봐서도 와. 다세디 찌긴 삼바치도 와. 근데 좀 봐대한테니 뉴로도 그러란 도도 그래 송말에 풍부세대 하거나.
And the scriptures like the gateway to knowledge, gateway to being learned Pandita, Khenpo, also explains really brilliantly that it's by understanding the aggregates and right how they function, what is really this 5 aggregates, we will be able to cast away or kind of reduce at least the grasping to an idea that self is a singular phenomenon. Remember, in the context of discussing grasping to the self, we classified a few attributes, the few features rather that we attribute to the self. And one of those features that we all think is that there is one me, right? Singular me. But if we understand aggregates and what is meant by aggregate, then this idea and grasping to singularity of a self will be reduced.
다 직디 다 캔남바 다음에 검디 풍부당 된줄라 풍부가를 롭종 장고거래 다 좀바 좀는데 시랍 닝분나라 수만하지 이내 다 된줄라 롭종 장도 깔릭하고디 가르도스는다 추응엄바세데 단위 망고디 시라 테크니컬 템쟁야래 안디디 규르샤도 그 컨셉트 거란 메나 디 규르토고미도 와 아니 간주 규르 짱발라 템바이나 땡땡 고카고다 따다지 마고위기 강에 용그래 아니 단ang 아주 미망고지기 추영원바디 드라이 두세고에 김친데 추영원바 거랑 드라이 연에 말에 다디파 셰당당 장당데 따다지 카두 마자병도 아니 단예지 고니 고대발라 시라시라지 돈다 선도당기 매베즈네 마모 용도 봐 당에 돈다 도르나 가르스니 캐나마 추영원바 럽종장도 인지민지 귤라 짱바 마덴바치니 코란지 낭베기 컨셉당 라버도다 추영음바 코랑기 나네 숭샤베기 컨셉트 가르레도스는 롭존자이디 베나가 좀 말하셔 아니 신이다 추영음바 세데 원이다네 지 네콜라 깨지시기도 와 삼삼다고 좋아 용거래 단다 추영음바 세데 지나 콜라 깨지시기 메바 파지 칠로디와지 깨지시디기 좋아 용거도 와
Right, so the 5 aggregates and the understanding of them is also really paramount for like teachings of middle way, like Heart Sutra, right? Mentions them. So we need to really have a good understanding of the 5 aggregates, and they explained in the tradition of Abhidharma. And the issue that could arise with studying Abhidharma is that it consists of a lot of technical terms. It's almost like lists with many technical terms. And the problem is that when those terms are translated from the original language, the problem is that if in the target language there is no concepts, the same concepts don't exist, then just the translation of those words kind of falls flat. It doesn't work. That's why many people complain when they study Abhidharma that, it's not interesting, it's dry. Abhidharma, it's not dry, it's the way, it's just the problem is that if we only rely on the words, on the translated words into our language, if we don't really understand the concept behind the words, it just seems like lists and dry ideas, but the problem is not with Abhidharma, but with the way how we are learning it and how we are teaching it. So here it's important to understand, and we study Abhidharma, that we shouldn't focus on the words, but we should really understand what are those words pointing out to, like the real concept, the meaning behind the words, right? And then we will say, Abhidharma really is about me, about my life. Otherwise, often I hear like, Abhidharma, it's not relevant, it's not about my life, it's about external phenomena. But actually, you will see that's very much about you and your own life.
아주 지단 비제 늪초라다 여다 망보 여러 개봐 이내야 로버트 게든 콘소기 때문에 슝 몸받은 소지 나랑게 야부도 등이요 그냥 스텝든 줄로게나 코란 로버트 게든 인서래 게든 Koranta Che Ngombaki Theravada ki expert redwa ngoni yabudu.
And also when you study Abhidharma, like in the West, in the modern academia, let's say, there are good scholars that explain Abhidharma well, and especially among those, there's one expert, as Khenpo said, Robert Gedin, he thinks his name is, who is an expert on Theravada tradition and really presents Abhidharma in a very clear and profound way.
Tange tinzu 가르치는 슈고였으나 안주 택과 첨보단 택과 중국의 냠린디 택과 중국의 냠린디 좀시다고지 내가나 택과 첨보게다 토핑 다고지 고고도 왔더니 빼야고 용 그래요. 양 안주 깝깝라 제 다음에 검스디 지 가르서 덴바니샤 깡바라도 싹대바이난 티즈 양 안더도스 더 차이인가요? 벤낭안주 당안주 단나다 가서 그래 비파샤나 메디테이션 코스나 지 고메지도와 지다 아주 den시 미다주르 깨지 시에 가서 당매 깨지 연구로 봐. 디디 양도 지 안더도스 라더 봐다고 연구래. 다양 담에 검수디 람상 코랑 우마 자와 시랍다 배 시부지 우메 깨지 시니 달레마인 셀레마인 일레마인 데네 깨지 시샤과이나 양 디디 시부지 abstract 차루로 봐. 디인디 최응원반의 숭샤베 그 dom시당 우메네 숭샤베 그 리바니부디 냠도 때니 냠는 제바이나 등원에 단에 펜도춘보 가요라요게 펜도춘보 지 망다와 마인바 뇽다와 마인바 지 가서이나 다지 approach the right dose 네 용거래 딩도 디마도 야 최응원반 짱바라 가데바이나 디즈지 안더도스 차이닝가도 양 우마스니 시부지야 드셔바이나 양 오버도스 차이닝가요 디지능이 디슈고요.
Right, thank you to Russian interpreter for, yes, it's Rupert Gethin. So if you want to know the name, it's in the chat. And then to continue the teaching. So why am I speaking about this Abhidharma? Why is it important? Because I think when it comes to studying the great vehicle or the fundamental vehicle, right, then sometimes we either overdose or underdose, right, with those, without having a really good foundation. And Abhidharma teachings will provide that excellent foundation for going into, then teachings and practice on selflessness, right? Because what happens is in the fundamental vehicle, when we meditate on the 16 aspects of the Four Noble Truths, there is an aspect of lack of truly existing self of individual, right? In terms of their Vipassana tradition, they talk about selflessness, but it's not enough. Like, if we only focus on the Four Noble Truths and only try to meditate on selflessness in that framework, in that context, it's not enough. And then if we, for example, that's kind of what we call not underdose, yeah? Or on another hand, if we go into this great vehicle, Mahayana, and go straight into Madhyamika, and then we go straight into Nagarjuna, and then we go, for example, right into, from the beginning, studying the root verses, root stanzas on the middle way, the wisdom of the middle way, Mula Madhyamika Karikas, and there, right at first, we are presented with the lines not from a self, not from other, not from both, not from neither, ever any phenomena as a reason. Ever, a reason, then we it's overdose. What's that? It's too abstract, right? If we just go straight through that door gate. That's why I think going in the sequence of first understanding Abhidharma, that is a perfect framework, foundation for us, then later really going into the middle way, Madhyamika, and especially the teachings on emptiness and lack of truly existing self, that will work very well in this, in this order. It will be then kind of a proper progress for our practice and our realization of selflessness.
나서 다드니 간주 대바 멤버 값을 지당 nga sege de zugu sa de ji phungbu nga dawo ji kang la chanyam dawo ji shuchum bo yore tini ta thekpa chimbo se ya dobe kapsula da de nga re sege yo marda chidang samlo tang sang dawo dakshi di zugu sa dawo thwa ta kawani yung yore sui ji ge yore se keje de di yung ro ba le che pa po suri nywa po suri se ni samlo tang yung de ta di tharo do re ta thekpa chimbo le byong ba kapsula tini lakparto da nganzu sem zamba la sope kapsula ina ta nga se keje shesa dawati sem ki nani tini ta kunshin namshe se tinde chita ji de dagre da segyo mare ine chi ta nga se de kaware sini ji zugu sa shora ti ta nyero dur tangbo de ko chidang dawo chung do ba ta di indu sanje ki yan tini tanda tekwa chimbo ki do din zo ki na chu be ki shung de na la nge kunshi namshe di micha sang la sheme garres na kunshi namshe di dishe gyabdang di gowa yakpo male ba ina ane tak na lakpar do dini chi nganzu atma se de da nore nya ga do jesa ani nge ko nganzu ina da chi go chugen gi loma se na min do nganzu inda kangsa nerung se gerwa dindela temba yin dinde sung yore 당 안아줄래 페이지도 samlatayonde ngadi sure sin도 samlatayonde 당보데 지 풍봉아 임베소다고지 드니 갈래 약보 samlatayonde 샘딩아이 삼바 페이지에 드니 초와지 숙청부 용거래 딩도
In the fundamental vehicle of the Shravakas and Teka Buddhas, when the five aggregates are spoken as the basis for imputing self or I, they're spoken kind of all five aggregates presented in the equal measure, in the equal manner as being the basis for imputation, right? Equally, kind of, none of them is highlighted in the fundamental vehicle. All of them equally sort of where we point our fingers when we say me. But I think when it comes to greater vehicle and especially to their higher philosophical schools, when we really try to pin down where is the self in a much more subtle and nuanced way, for example, starting from the Chittamatra school, mind-only school, there we don't anymore say all five aggregates equally the basis for imputation, but kind of most mind-only proponents especially single out the mind, among aggregates as being that kind of place where we point out finger and say that's me. And especially, as we know, for mind only, there are different types of mind or consciousness. The one known as the all ground, alaya vijnana, all ground consciousness, is single out, not as the self. Obviously, it's not what Chittamatra is saying, oh, that's the self. No, but they say that's kind of, that's where we sort of attribute the existence of self, that's much closer to really our ideas about who am I, right? First, we sort of generalize and say that's just my mind, but if we really go into more subtle, nuanced way, we kind of end up with this all-ground consciousness. And that's why in the scriptures of Yogacara tradition, the scholars, the teachers, the authors said that actually we're not going to, maybe it's one author, not going to explain the Chik Mare. Okay, sorry. Okay, that's, yes, in the sutras. That's the author. Thank you, Khenpo, exactly. I was wondering. Okay, in the sutras pertaining to the Yogacara tradition, the Buddha himself, of course, said that it's not recommended, to teach the all-ground consciousness to all disciples. I'm not going to explain it to all because though, without grasping a really, correct meaning of all ground, having a very proper understanding, there's a real serious danger for confusing all ground with the Atman, right? This idea of a truly existing self, Atman. And that's why it's only for the disciples who are ready. We call them kind of ripened, suitable vessels, those who are ready to understand. For those, yes, kunshinam, all ground, vijnana could be explained. Otherwise, if you explain it to the general public, they might think, oh, that's the Atman. So exactly, that's the one then where we mostly sort of point out our finger or kind of pin down, that's me, that's self, right? Not to all 5 aggregates equally, but to this kind of more of the aggregate of the mind, and there specifically to this one, the all ground consciousness. I think Khenpo said, sorry.
Then 다 대치당 안주 직 physical 다 body language lesson 땅 바이나 안주 다 페이지 눕초 다와이나 nga se samlotang se du de zu do ra de le zu do go la da nga zu beba dawaina ya nga se ba nga se de peje de le zu gan su ro chi gre.
As for the physical dimension, where we usually also point finger and think that's where I am, that's who I am, I think the body language is very telling. In the West, if where are you, like in your body, people point more to their heads. Where I think as Tibetan, so we sort of will point out to our chest, our heart center.
다 dordi나 de nga zu ta sugbudi nga yin yang obini su da tung yo mare sembadi nga yin yang obini su da tung yo mare da di ju umege rikpa mangbo de ngoyeni su da mari kwa yore kawa de 다 강다 다 소소게 도 신이다 나디 다 갸제 갸메네 갸제 갸주 굽주디 가래 인사레 스네 슉체 용어도 다 델라드니 따고 그러봐 가르레스나 아주 나디 닥진디 도고고 여바인데 다 다도 진사디 가와를 증기도 스네 디 아주 단다 디케제시 그러봐 디인데 디티스 다 다메네 용석이 여기로 와다 소소게 되니 세사디 놀교요 말에 세사도 너서와니 니에깔 가버리 이는 보고 그래. 근데 소소가 가발에 슉체 증기도 대강라 채고 그래. 땅에 돈다도도 디시고요.
In short, what I'm trying to say is that obviously whatever concept we think, if it's this body, it's me, or the mind is me, they're all wrong, and they're all proven wrong by the reasonings of the middle way. There is no really, this body is not self, this mind is not a self. Right? But to refute that self, we need to see for ourselves where, we or you, let's say, each of us, where each of us attribute this existence of a self, because it could vary between us. Well, okay, maybe not 100%. We believe 100% only this body is a self. Maybe we don't have that certainty, but look where most of your kind of a belief, which place you mostly attribute the existence of self, like 80-90%. Maybe you think it's your mind, maybe it's body. So you need to see for yourself, and very clearly you need to identify the place where you attribute the existence of self. What do you grasp at as the self? Because if you don't identify that, that place where you actually grasp to self, when it comes to using reasonings and logical arguments where we say, look, search for the self, you're going to be searching in the wrong place, and it's going to just you're going to waste a lot of time by searching where you actually yourself personally don't even believe the self resides. Okay, so check for yourself. Each of us needs to see, where do we believe that self is? Well, who is the self? Where is this I? And that's the place of grasping.
dordi나 각자 ngojin sena 세사디 놀교요 말에 숨바래 띵을 숨거래.
In short, what I'm trying to say when it comes to the first point, having certainty what is the object of refutation. We need to know the exact place where we're going to look for self in order to refute it. What is that place of searching for self for each of us?
Tadini gacha capsula ge chumbuchi di dadi yang ngarang gegi chi sonang samcha dawin rwa peja nala dine to sukumedo nge khasang chi shi ta khasang anzu core I narrative I ta lengge kunda ke jama yung rwa ta ge chumbuchi di garire du sena nge khasang cultural I se chi shui di nge di shugo di ta nge di ta cultural lab go enum social lab go na ta nge chig de ya pha ko mas ta nge kanda di khari chin nge di shugo yesna the ta chi deshe do jaba na the I that is strongly influenced and shaped by our society or culture right o dene jila nge di sege culture ta di sig dinga kandelam ne yagen nge shu shig mido
Then another important point with regards to this first certainty was certainty, what are we refuting, and this is my personal thinking. You won't find it necessarily in the scriptures, but remember we discussed the core I, narrative I, again not the terms called by me but by Western scholars, basically standing for this innate sense of I, or the one that we acquired later in life. I added the cultural I, and that's the one I want to address now. I'm not sure what's better to, what's better to call it, social I or cultural I. Yeah, social/cultural I, let's say. And that's the one we need to be also very aware of. As Khenpo said in English, that I, that social cultural I, is the one that is strongly influenced by the society, by culture.
By your environment, your upbringing rwa ta di pe daw ji shu bai na dinge khari chine ge chumbo thungu du sena di dangsho di I cherwa it's a outer layer sensitivity daw chre dwa dangbo chorken di judi nganzu ki lecha shedang la sokpa semchor mangbo chi this sensitivity de trigger chi dwa
Sensitivity, emotions trigger sensitivity.
Yeah, emotions that is triggered because of that I, and that is very outer layer.
Okay, just to be clear, the outer layer sensitivity yore, emotions yore, I yore, the kare la trigger yore gonda, just
Reda damanga pe shu na godi chasa rwa. Tadi nge gandi shu ge yesna nge du samadang ra pe na da ngarang ro shi na shokbe ya lani konda bardu chig de kare chini ke chumbu tu sna nganju ta tingsan shibuji nganju gi ji society de pe interactive shu cha de rwa nge ma ina tin rang me ong du nga dang mi shemba samlo tazul thongju se dika jong ge speed din pe slow rwa din di da nyungu dwa ta tingsan ji lamsang khorang ji shuk chumbu shibuji la mangbo le khyap du ge ba di pe di shuk chumbu re sha tangbo di kimjen ji kimsen ni ba di pe sha na da ngarang pe na nga shokbe ni konda ba do la ta nge semgi mitu minyam do keje she suk da tiro mangbo nga thugro ba nesu damida tu yongde da nge semla namdo mangbo ji emotion ji trigger ji gro ba di namdo di samlo yabo tangni mang cheba jekin de sure de samlo tang ba ina page gaja duju duju di cultural id ki chigi do wa ta di labe ka so kar resna da nga asian yim batang asian ki culture yo batang tini nga beba yim batang nga nangba yim batang nga dawa yim ba se ta di chasang de chu ruk mang po ji ko sensor 망보 증알을 여들봐 차상 루루 다운데 값을 했더니 딘주 답에는 지 나랑 낭바레 베나가 베바레 이제 임바 송자다 계란기 나라 베자지 때 바인 나페 가그레 다 자파니스 그린티 다우스 때 바인데 자다 페메세 야고 인겨드 나시라 가그 마라 가르레스나디 나 베바 마레 다 내가 난신게 계란조 나라 다 등산 계란 빼 갸바 차도 세디 나페 가기로 봐 딩안주 리슝로 봐 갸바요네 야보로 봐 갸바스리다 sembakibu chukpu midi yarge doguyo ba kibuyo bege status da wasre ta shakambo da wajitinde na da ase ningje da khalashira sa gyo samari kyobo insare lobjo insare midi kange khabu shiuji sar sam tinde ge samdo shingor da dega na shingi ji da dedang desungi da dega na shingi keranzo gi ji ngarang senga ji dang legumde kunjosum kelingen ji chadedu 다 람사 미치기 다 생아지다 간시 레김데다 간시란 람상 거랑이 이모셔널 리액션도 슉 전부 시부질레 비용도 와 미차상라 되는 연구요 말에 그러와 나를 짱바 연구 띠 가르치는 연구였으나 니 나랑기다 다 cultural 아이들 되는 연구도 와 나랑 에만이 되는데 바샤 망버지 사샤로 와다 디차상디 나 바바인 삼바당 ngaji nangba인 삼바당 되니 덴데기 리액션 차되기도 와 어다 디지는 디시도 디인도다 딜라드니 somnotae da ngwe diang shira gechumbare sha tingu.
Right, to give an example for how important that cultural social eye is in terms of identifying that place where we grasp the place we grasp at as an I, me. I think from the moment we wake up until we fall asleep, our world is extremely we find ourselves in an extremely interactive world. In the past, that was not the speed, right, of knowing what's happening to everyone else in the world, others, right? Now we know it right away. And all day long, we are presented with all sorts of forms and sounds and smells and things that trigger our emotions. I think it's like 60-70% what triggers our emotions when we read the news, interact with others, is our cultural eye. It's our baggage, it's our background. That's what triggers our emotions, right? That kind of what triggers our sensitivity, which is like only outer level of sensitivity, but it gets triggered by us having ideas about ourselves that we got from our upbringing, from our environment. For example, me, I have Asian upbringing. I'm introduced to Asian culture from the young age, especially the Tibetan one, especially Buddhist one, and then the monastic, right? And that's all put together, those various ingredient sensors of the cultural upbringing and the environment put together as being Asian, Tibetan, Buddhist, monk. Then when I am, for example, presented with a Tibetan tea, I'm very happy. But if someone shares with me a very good Japanese green tea, well, I understand that's really great perhaps, but not to my liking at all. So I have a very different emotional response to it because of where I'm coming from. Or for example, if someone tells me, wow, Khenpo, look at you, you gain weight, I'll be happy to hear it. In our society, we tend to think that being a bit on the bigger side is a sign that you have enough to eat, so you have resources, you're well off. And when someone is all skinny, right away we think, well, the person is not getting enough nutritious food, so maybe they don't have a good job, or right. That's the background I'm coming from. Or for example, when as being Buddhist monk, right, I take for granted the three jewels: karma, cause and effect, past and future life. And when someone doesn't, talks, doesn't believe in that, or right, I have a emotional reaction. Why am I having this reaction? It's because of my conditioning. Yeah, what I call cultural social I. It's only me. Maybe someone else will not have at all. I mean, yes, not maybe. Others will not have the same reaction at all. But because of my own tendencies cultivated by my upbringing, my environment, my culture, like being Tibetan, being Buddhist, that's my emotional reaction. So therefore, right, in terms of, I think personally, again, remember this, my personal understanding, when it comes to identifying the self, that's really, where is it? I think that understanding that cultural, socially kind of conditioned influence self is very important.
다 디제디 ngazu chidang nupchola cultural shock se laish to wa ta die disin yungoyore.
And that's why in English there's a right like a phrase, or and the concept of cultural shock, when you experience shock by some alien culture.
Ta ina di cultural shock se di bebakela giwa ne peche gyurtu mare ningdo.
But if I try to translate this phrase cultural shock into Tibetan, there's no proper Tibetan to translate this concept of cultural shock.
Ta ngi di karichini shugoyeso na di hamako na chigni ngarangi kare demba dirang ngarangi kare sowa dirang tartuki demba yingo kores na ngazu uzu juyungudo wa rigidness, narrow minded charugudo wa diya gyumsen dirare nipa di ngazu ina chik kare sowa kare kerang di cultural ID wangdo shibuji shor song bayi na kerang shibuji judgmental charu re dela teni ani sumba di dela teni yung diyo sama tachi pena beja di yakbo re jangoni re green tea di jangoni re ja yakbo re shimbu re mare se di kapsula kati ina ngarangi ji beja di yakbo re kimze mangbo ji deshe gyab yung koro wa dela mare yore protein yore deshe gyab yung koro pake di ta kanda ngoye nisu dine mara wa and dine imba yung da di ngazu jine karla kore da inchi kelenze appreciating the differences yoro wa values yoro wa di tsani samlo ko to mi do wa da di cha sang de kawan yung kore sana dine ngazu cultural eyes se di de shuk che da ni de gi influence ma ha ma ko ne de wang do shor ni da di ha ko na ani tinzo judgmental down accepting the differences down dine katuna nga samba da nge di temba yin go mare it could be different in chik tela manzo in open minded chik da samlo tan shung do ba di yung re ding do ta di do samlo tan da pe na ngaran da cha sha ba na ngaran nyama chi lang ye nyomong mang che wa de kawani yung do samlo tan yung de mang che ba chi cultural ani yung do ba.
Not being able to recognize this type of cultural I think leads to a few problems. The first one is that we will always think that what we perceive and how we see things is the only true, valid way, in basically being extremely narrow-minded and rigid. Yeah, one problem. Another one is that when we are under the power of this cultural eye, we tend to become very judgmental of other cultures, other ideas, other perspectives, right? If, for example, just a tiny example of Tibetan tea versus Japanese green tea, because of my cultural bringing, I will be saying, well, Tibetan tea is the only proper tea. It has protein and butter in it, and that's the one. So what happens is that because of this cultural eye, we get very judgmental and we miss on appreciating the differences, appreciating the different values. Right? When it's too strong, when we're under the influence of this cultural eye, our kind of upbringing, we get very judgmental and we don't accept or appreciate different ways of thinking. And we don't even think that the way I believe could be not the only right way, right? Something could be different from how I see things. This thought doesn't even enter our minds. And this is really big damage done to us by this kind of type of an eye, conditioned by culture, by our society. I think we then miss on being very open-minded. Personally, most of my disturbing emotions in the past tend to arise exactly from this cultural eye. They were triggered by this type of cultural eye, not perceived by me. So that's why I think it's a very important topic to discuss.
Ta pena tingsang anzo chi ta bangbo chi nyota mangbo jere conflict sirwa ta so misang chi ki nang la conflict yoe dia mi chi ki samlo je mi chi ki ai je ti ai ni di thungyo yo mare tini nyota cha ngdo ba tini mi ni ni chokpa chi ni gyakap cha ta pena tingsang chi zambuli ni chokpa jab de ge na zo dirang ro nge samba ti dembare dirang yin go go re sre te phajo di pha 좀 연구하러 와.
And of course, the damage that's done by this type of narrow-minded rigidness is extremely big, and we can see it very clearly these days. And by judging by the scale of conflicts, it's starting just from conflicts within a family or household where two people kind of clash because I'm right, no, I'm right, right? Maybe it starts there, but we can see how it grows and becomes totally like cancer taking over the whole of the society. Talking about even the the people who decide the fate of societies and starting the wars only because they think, well, my way is the only right way. So, and then I think then that's why I don't, think other people's way of thinking is wrong one, and I can do whatever I want to them, right? This starts from that kind of not being able to see that I could be wrong.
라서 따드린 도디나 가상 아주 네 당보 가정에 봐서 되기 되니 낭세디 양자지 또 세시슈바이 되니 다 직디 닥시 들어와 따예디 다르데 다 매발 세발라 세서디 되니 마노바지 제고 그래 따디 아주 깝깝라 수부 풍부가 세그래 되니 디에초드나 수부단 셈니 세그래 아니 디야지 지당 지나 숙셈기 초바딘 삼삼다고지 열에 되니 양 삼도 마 따용데 따 페제 셈딩 아래 삼삼다고 숙체바지 된데 디주지 숙체바지 요거래 세지던지 되니 강달 아지 솔사디 너규요 말레스 소소 가왈 증기도나 아니 대땡도 솔레디게 좀버래 디도 땅 나랑게 가왈 증기도 쓰는다 디 제바지고 거래 되니 니바디다 제 나랑게 삼주다고 들라드는 아주 녀몽바 망보지 트리거 제겐다고디 cultural 아이디 차디기 요바인디 rigidness 되니 용거 요바인디 되니 딜라또 저 섬땅도 바이나 되니 또 저지 게시 소소 삼출다 마튠바 이나야 람사지 룽랑고야다고다 디 바로볼지 각과 잡고야다 되니 매바지니 즉 셈라 뢰자지 레벨라 펜도 좀 연구를 했던 것도 우스니 다디슈바이.
So in today's Dharma session, I clarified again the first point, that is the object that we going to refute, right? To have a real clear certainty, what is that? And also there, in relation to that, I discussed then what is the basis of imputation. That's to say, where exactly do we impute the I? And this is about personal experience, where each of us really grasp, what are we grasping at as the I? Yeah, could be 5 aggregates in general, but there, I think more specifically, we really have to single out like the body, our bodies, and our minds. Right? That's where we tend to sort of impute, label this so-called I, and there specifically even the mind. Yeah, I think the mind. Anyway, this is important because we shouldn't be mistaking about that, because if we mistaking, if we unclear what exactly are we grasping at as an I, what is that place where we sort of ascribe or attribute I, then when it comes to examining and searching for an I and refuting it, we will be looking in the wrong place, right? So it's extremely important to know exact place of grasping, so then we can know what are we examining as the so-called I. What is that basis of imputing an I? Then I discussed emotions, our difficult, disturbing emotions that very often triggered by this cultural I, right? Especially emotions like rigidness, anger, when someone thinks differently, conflicts, right, that we get into because we oppose someone just because they have different point of view. So I think all of that can be drawn back to this cultural I, and that's we also need to be aware of and examine.
Tene ge chumpa chigla tene nge kari shu yisene nganzu da tekwa che chung sini yore nika lop chung changi yore ine ya tene nyamlin che du lakbar do kansa ke tangme dawo tene nyamlin che du tene ngomba ni tekwa chung ngomba ni zawe tekwa ni she sha bege da pungen namsha tang tame de zula lop chung chang nyamlin che de tang yang de tsam ji mayin bo ume la so ba ne sung sha bege tame de yang tene jar ni nyamlin che na pe pendo chumbo yongre de mado yang 지 찍라 장바 하대 바이는 얘는 찍니 빼 굴다 찍니 빼 격다 내려봐 되니 아주 지 폐마도 버티는 용색이래서 이니 냠도 때니 냠는 제 바이는 때 원에 당에 아주이나 깡바여 봐 미기여 봐 소라고 싫어봐 디마도 깡바여나 미메겐 소라고 지 미기여라 깡바 메겐 소라고 지 차이닝가도 디지니는 아주 짜외 택바스 랍고 김선된 데려봐 거 시다고 디 거인 바인데 되니 찍디다 계란수 추용엄바 장도 추용엄바디다 낭바 거랑기 투몽 마잉 베게 라버도다 초로와당 셈당 용와당 지 똑바된데기 깨져 망버지 시고고 시 연구 여바인데 림바기 타라기 다디 컨셉디 여 말아와 리슝신 발라 디메용데 되니 규르짱발라 템바이나 고와 말레바당 고알레바이나 고라 노발라서 바녀가 용그레 또스 깔레기암니 되니 디 Gyud Lama Gyud Lama temba chene tin tos concept itini lobjong chaela bejon naro che tini one dani chongom ba do nyong to kre sene da ti chi
Another important topic that we have discussed today is the one that, of course, of the two vehicles, which we obviously need to study, both the fundamental one and the greater one, the Mahayana, right? Studying both is important, and there specifically I pointed out that it's very important for us to study Abhidharma, which primarily, right, explained in great detail in the context of the fundamental vehicle. Well, that's why we call it fundamental, root vehicle, because it's like the root, the foundation that we then, on top of which we can and should proceed for example, with the middle way philosophy, the Madhyamika. If we combine these two, studying Abhidharma and then studying middle way and doing it together in unison, that will yield great results. Otherwise, if we just like do only one, study one-sidedly like Abhidharma, or right away go into the middle way philosophy, it will be either too slow for us or too fast, and we will get lost. So we need to do it in a very balanced way, doing those together, right? Basically, the example is like if we learning and studying and both by combining them, it's like we will have both the feet, the legs and the eyes. Otherwise, we will be maybe having legs but no eyes to see where to go, or we'll have eyes but no legs to proceed there, right? So studying both is like having been very fit, having legs and the eyes. So that's why we call it root, foundation, that vehicle, right? And another point there that I made is that Abhidharma uses quite unique language to describe, the the kind of Abhidharma uses very unique language to describe the subtle and very gross emotions, sensations, thoughts, states of mind.
nang big the phenomenology ra tende ki technical te mangu chegwa
Because it is Buddhist phenomenology, it uses a lot of specific technical terms to describe those subtle and more gross states of mind, emotions, etc., which in the West, well, we don't, those concepts, those descriptions, those subcategories do not exist. That's why when they are translated, then what happens is we can get lost in translation. We either will not understand the concept that those words, those translated words trying to present, or we will have a wrong understanding. So that's why when we study Abhidharma, we need to be very careful to just not get stuck on the kind of in terms of the language being used, when it's translated, but rather really trying to understand the concepts that are being taught to us.
da yang tangbo shena ngazu meeting zo ki chöngba ba de ko khabu do se de karresna chöngba na la shesha wa mang cheba di kan nang du lo ne gom gyabna ani kande chagre sin di de she gyagyo ra ta ngara zo mang cheba ki gari jine ha ko yo ma gom kona gyagyo ma kan nang du kona logo yo ma ra 제자 되니 chöngba de ko yo ma ma chöngba drive ma re.
Frankly speaking, many of us find Abhidharma difficult or dry. It's actually not because Abhidharma is dry, but because Abhidharma talks about the very nuanced experiences that arise when we turn our gaze inwards in the process of meditation, right? It describes what's happening when we turn inwards and meditate. And why do we find, therefore, concepts presented in Abhidharma difficult? Because we don't do it. Well, we don't meditate and we don't really turn inwards. That's why we complain that it's dry, just because actually we don't do, we don't relate to it.
Then Abhidharma yagochi to go to den da inji mi gom jago ri mane kapure Treatise.
It is very, very clear if we need to have a proper understanding of the concepts explained in Abhidharma, we need to meditate on them. Without really taking them into personal experience and integrating and meditating on them, we won't understand Abhidharma. We won't grasp the ideas in Abhidharma.
So, Janju Simju Rinpoche Magye Bana Ge Gyure Ge Ba Nyam Bara Me Ba Yang Gone Gondo Pelabare Sho